We're here in Trinidad, Bohol, and that's the barangay road over there, which is the boundary on this lot for sale. So let's walk. Let me see my list. What land is this? So there's a lot of trees over here, you know, and then there's also a dam. That's cow over there, so that's the dam. Hello cow, let me pass, you're in video. So the total area on this is equivalent to 10,000 square meter. So it's quite big lot, you know, and then there's a rice field here. Because there's a dam there, there's a creek. That's the rice field there. Time check is 10:38. So 3 hectares na eh?
3 hectares ito nga man eh.
Asa man boundary ani? Dinhilapit ah.
Kaning ay kahoy.
So the boundary is that wood, the tree over there, all the way to that Gemelina tree, and then that rice field there,
atong kanal, kilid ito.
And then there's a dike there,
nisaka gamay na, nisaka na gamay
and going there.
Kilid lang to Gemelina po nga
nani irrigation?
Ngare. Basta sa paga po ni.
So there's also creek over there. You know, it's along the creek. So deep na hopsan ang sapa niya.
Di po. Maro ni sumpayan sa paa dito.
So that the previous videos that we uploaded, that creek is the continuations of the creek over there. So it's continuous water. So it cannot be out of water, that creek. So you don't need to worry about the source of water on your rice field, because you just get a water pump and pump the water from the creek all the way to the rice field. And there's also a well over there. Dili mahusan, di pool na.
Di, tabay jud nga dako.
Yeah, so there's a big well over there. So pila ni kabuok ya? Pila kabuok ning basak?
Basak, upat ka kahong dagko.
So
duha kanina pod ribabaw duha.
So there's a rice field over here that is
200 ka sako lay.
Ha?
200 sacks ni ani ni.
Kadaghan.
Lagi, 200 lagi ka sako ani.
So there are that harvested 200 sack.
Gamay ra mo tanawon dire, pero imo nang doolon dito makaingon kag nangokanom din basaka.
Yeah, because the rice field are giant. So they are a big boxes of rice field. So that's why it harvested 200 bags of rice. Ang lubi ani ya?
Kani tanan dai ngadto.
Pila ka buok lubi ani?
Abot baka nag 40 ni basta kag daghan pa mi ngadto mi to.
Butang lang ta nag 60.
Mga butal na mga
50 kalobi, and there's a coconut tree also that are so that's also included, that area there with the rice field with the coconut. So around 50 coconut trees included in this property. So imagine that you got a rice field that harvested 200 bags of rice, and then you also have coconut tree that 50 trees of coconut that will pila kay harvest aning coconut ya? Pila harvest aning pila kupras?
Kupras ko ani ato sa adlaw sa buok.
So pila imong halin?
Ni brato lagi kupras ni halin ra ni 4,000 kapin.
Yeah, so he just harvested the other day 600 coconut, you know, and because sometimes the copra is higher price, sometimes it's cheaper, so it depending on the demand, you know. So because sometimes what the farmer is doing is they harvested the coconut when they know that the price of the copra are higher, because that's where the income, that's where they got the return on investment on their property, you know. So that's quite big. So that's the creek is the boundary over there, and then that's also here, and all the way, and then all the way there. So it's giant rice field. You know, imagine that you build a house over here and you got rice field, you know. So the income on your rice field is the one that gonna pay you back you're investing on buying this land. You know, titled niya. And it's complete papers, it's titled, updated on tax. You know, so it's a very good investment to do. You know, so because some businessman, what he always think is, it's not just about the property, it's about the investment that later on they could able to use it, they could able to resell it in the bigger amount of price on the worth on the land. You know, and we all know that the land has always been going up. You know, it's always been going up because especially now that, you know, a lot of development in the town, a lot of development in the island. So this is along the barangay road. It's 5 minutes drive to the municipal, 15 minutes drive to the town of Talibon, where there's a hospital, there is an Alturas, you know, remittance center, banks, you know, and also the port of Itafe, 20 to 30 minutes drive going to Cebu, you know. Yeah, so as I said, this is a very good investment. Wala to'y labot ang dam, ya. Wala to'y labot ang dam. Apil tong dam. Yeah, so the dam over there is also included. You can use that as a fish pond. You can turn that dam into a fish pond. You know, so you got rice field, you got fish pond, you got coconut tree, you know, on a very cheap and affordable price. So this is a good place to build a house, you know, because the span, the view, the environment is quiet. Yeah. Yeah, so again, for more info, contact 0977-320-4650. Glay, pagpalay mo picture, Glay. Have a great day. Ang lubi picturing.
Ang daghang bunga mga bungaan. Video daghang mga bunga.
Dapat man lagi-laga.
So there's still a lot. Look at that. It's good. It's good result. Yeah, so Kuya says that the one that do the copra, the harvesting, didn't do some of this coconut because they're scared of the lizard. Di uhaw sa ate. Yeah, so again, have a great day. Thank you so much. And God bless. Bye-bye.